Okay, so, what would you do? I'm so tired, and I'm so, I just wanna go home, Come on, it's Matt, don't let me down, let me down, let me. Okay, so guys, I'm out of this thing, and this is creepy. It said a tornado warning in this area, but it's like sunshine, and now getting a little cloudy, and now I'm scared. But it said there's like a hurricane something, so like I don't know what this is, but like there's like this hurricane something, and I'm like, I don't know if the hurricane's coming to where I live or something, or it's a tornado. Yeah, so guys, I'm informing you, everybody who has this on their YouTube, like, I know my YouTube's not working a lot, but, come on, I want to swim, cutting a little down, because we have airplanes. I wanna go home. Well, this is rude. Villa Shore. And I'm so tired, and I'm so tired, and I'm so tired. Okay, I think she's talking about the like. Okay, be right back. I'm so tired, and I'm so tired, just wanna go home, wanna go home. I'm so tired, and I'm so tired. Oh, wanna go. But inform you, whoever got this on your YouTube thing, please, I think we're ready for a storm, or whatever. Oh God! Oh Lord! Okay.